I'm really sorry that your son lost his job, okay? I truly am.
Then why can't you be more understanding?
We've been understanding.
He'll find another one.
And when he does, you're more than welcome to come back. You know, you might not believe me, but the public nursing home, it's not that bad.
I don't believe you. How long do I have to come up with the money?
2 weeks.
Axel. Axel!
What?
That sign was supposed to go on 20 minutes ago.
The fuck do I care? I'm working on a high score here, man.
Hey, watch your fucking mouth. Get your ass over there and fix that timer. Cause he stays. Cash or trade?
Cash.
See what I can do.
That's it?
Welcome to Ken Kwon-do. I am your sensei, Master Ken. For the next 25 minutes, I own you.
He owns you.
This is no place for babies.
No babies.
Don't even think about saying something like, Master Ken, I'm tired.
Too bad.
Master Ken, my knees are sore.
Oh.
Master Ken, I have a plastic hip, and if I fall, I could die.
Grow a pair already.
I don't care. Because you know who else doesn't care? Serial rapers.
Rapers.
But after this class, they will care about one thing only. What you can do with your fists! Hi-ya! Fists up! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! Ken Kwon-do is no place for socializing!
Sorry.
1, 2, head! 1, 2, head! 1, 2, head!
I'll see you at the class.
All right, that's enough! You've disrespected Master Ken in the Ken Kwon Dojo. Leave! No, don't bow. Get out of here! 1, 2, 1, 2.
I figured out a way to get the money. Oh, yeah? How's that? Well, I'm gonna need your help.
What do you mean? Shh. What are you doing? Before I tell you, I need to know if you're in.
Well, that's not fair.
But you're my friend. You're my best friend.
Okay, yes.
Okay. Well, we're gonna need another person. Somebody that won't talk.
Well, that's Ruth.
No, not Ruth.
Do you know someone else that won't talk?
Hi, Ruth. Hi. Really? Really?
Okay, yes. All right, just go wait in the car. Ruth. She put 3 eggs in it for you. Fluffy. Okay, Ruth, look. I know that you and Ethel have, had some problems in the past. Your husband was a player. Yeah. Well, you know, days long ago. And right now, she kind of needs your help. I need your help, Ruth. Please.
Hi, sweetie. It's Grandma. You did? All by yourself? Honey, is Daddy there? Okay, thank you. Hi. Oh, she sounds so grown up. Listen, I was just wondering, have you had any luck finding a job? Oh. Okay, well, enjoy your dinner. Love you.
What's your point, Ethel?
My point is that she's late.
She's not late. We have 5 more minutes.
No.
The clock
she's
is fast.
late.
She's not late. She's
She's
gonna
late.
be here. She's not late. She's never late. That's the one thing about Ruth is she's never late.
You always stick up for
Oh,
her.
I do not.
You should have gone with Estelle.
No, Estelle's like half dead. Come on.
Estelle is alive
No,
and she's nice.
barely
She has a
alive.
personality. She has a personality.
We don't need a personality. We need somebody good for the job, and that's who it is. Here, look who's here beside you.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Does everybody know the plan?
Oh my gosh, Ethel, you've gone over it 50,000 times.
Ruth, do you know the plan? Ruth!
She knows the plan. I'm telling you, she knows. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, seriously?
Yes, and be nice about this, will you?
Okay.
She works better when you're nice.
Okay. Ruth, just use this in case you have any trouble. Just keep a lookout and use that.
She's not deaf.
Okay. Oh, and something else.
What?
Here.
What is this? What did you make?
Here.
Did you make this?
Yes.
Ethel. Nice job, lady.
Thanks. Thanks, Fee. Ruth, stay there. Ready?
I was born ready.
I have to pee.
You hold that in. Okay, let's go.
I love you.
I love you more.
G53, G53, M37, M37.
Bingo!
Okay. I heard a bingo.
All right, everybody stay calm and no one will be harmed. The money!
It's in the back.
I want your wallets, your cell phones, and your jewelry in this bag now! Mama needs something nice. Mama needs something nice.
It was here somewhere.
Where?
I don't know.
Find it! Yeah, what do you got? Put it in there.
Go slower, please.
What was that?
Nothing.
You tell me what that was, or I'll blow your face off!
A panic button.
Is that like life alert?
Excuse me, ma'am. Is bingo still going on?
Hey! You! Put your stuff in here. No.
My mother left her purse at home. I have it with me. Could I leave that with you to give to her?
Last chance.
I won it fair and square.
Okay, fine. How much did you win?
Do you know Dorothy Wilcox? Nice hat. Crazy fucking old people. Hey! Hey! What the hell? Hey! Oh,
75, 85, 100. Congratulations.
We have to go right now!
holy fucking shit. Radio back up.
Get down on the ground!
Wait, hang on, you.
That is just not the way these things work.
I don't want to leave.
It's out of my hands.
All my friends are here.
I'm sure you'll make new friends when you get out.
How long until my release date?
2 weeks.
Have you heard anything? Oh, they must have put her in solitary.
I figured out a way that we can stay.